Now we will discuss some features of what you can say ES6. ES6. So your JavaScript is represented or maintained by the ECMA script, and that's why ES6 is the alias name for the JavaScript. It is maintained by this guidelines ES6, right? Now ES6 has been updated recently. ES6 has been updated recently and there are multiple changes. Okay, now I have one question. See now, where, what you can say, state is equals to true, or you can say where st is equals to 10, and here I'm going to say if true, right? Here I can say where st is equals to 20, right? And log console.log, what you can say, st. Please tell me value of the st. What your logic says, what would be value of the st? If true, where st is equals to 10, where st is equals to 20, what would be value of the st? Yes, 10. Why 10? So it's a true. It's a true. Boolean state is true. What's the value? 20 or what? How many of you are from the background of Java, C#, .NET? Please raise your hand. Java guys will say 10. C# guys will say 10. But if you are typically from the JS, right, your answer might be 20. Value of st might be 20. Right, let us run the code. Now you will ask me question, how should I run the JS outside the browser? I want to run the JS outside the browser. There is no browser over here, but still I want to run the new.js, and in that case your node will help you, right? Just type node. We already have node environment, node, and I can say new.js. Node and new.js. It will execute the JS outside the browser. It is a node compiler. Remember that it is a node compiler. Sorry, it is interpreter. Node is nothing but what? Interpreter. There is no compilation. Let me hit the enter. Can you see? Value is 20. Then you will say, why not 10? Right? So you will say me one question. So it is a scope. Means it clearly depicts that JavaScript is unscoped as well. There is no importance to the scoping. Value 20 need to be inside these curly braces. Value 20 must be inside these curly braces, but it is showing me over here outside the curly brace. So with this principle, ES6 has updated and they came up with one new keyword called as let. Now see, let. Just remember earlier syntax. Earlier answer is 20. Right here I have executed this new.js and earlier answer is 20. And here you can say node now and what? New.js. See now, answer is 10. Means let will become its scoped. So what it is true? It is limited to these curly braces. What I am saying, so what it is true? It is limited to these curly braces. Right? This is limited. And this will go outside the scope over here. Like this. And that's why it is printing as 10 and not the 20. And that's why it is printing as 10 and not the 20. So one thing about the scoping. Here we have discussed something about what? Scoping. Scopes. Let and the where. Have you cleared the differentiation between let and the where? What is the difference between let and the where? That clearly I have shown you over here, right? So in the next tutorial, we'll see something different. Okay.